4G EE capture cam. Let's check it out. So the other video we had a look at a small kind of action camera to see how good it was at filming basically, and it was disgracefully poor. So we got to the internet and I got this little bad boy. Okay, so I chucked over there. It's a 4G EE capture cam. So a little bit bigger than the other one, but we're looking for better results here. Has a clip as well, so you can attach to something, and it comes also with a GoPro mount, so you can attach it to a GoPro. So to see what it looks like, we're going to start recording and see how we get on. Ooh, it's got a beep. So hopefully now we're recording on the capture cam. So let's move over to the capture cam. So now we're recording on the EE camera, and this is the quality you can expect. It's a nice little camera actually. I don't know what the quality's like. It's not massive. It's small and it's wearable as well. So if you were doing something, you can clip on. But this is an idea of the quality of the image you'll be expecting from the little camera. So I think it's going to be a lot better than what we've seen previously. I think this might be actually really usable. It has a clip on the back, which you can't see, I've turned it around. That can be removed, so it does make it a really, really small bit of kit to use. So, there we go. That's the sample footage of the EE camera. So, there we go. That's the footage of the actual camera itself in use. As I was saying, it's quite a clever bit of kit, because it's got a clip so you can wear it like an action camera if you wish. And also you can put a SIM card in it. It does come with its own SIM card with 2 gigs of free data as well. And that goes in the bottom next to the SD card. And you can live off the device as well. So you can actually do quite a lot of very clever spying with this particular spy camera. In the right position, you can access it on your phone, you can access it via PC, because obviously it's going straight from this onto the onto the mobile network and straight to wherever you want it to go to. So the footage, well, what did you think? It's not amazing, but then again, it's not exactly an expensive camera. You Google this, you might get some high prices, £50, £60. Go a little bit deeper. I got this for £15. £15, brand new box with the SIM card with 2 gig of data. Bargain in my eyes. So, would I recommend buying one? It really depends what you want to do with it. For £15, it's probably worth a good buy really, because you can do pretty much whatever you want with it. Quality wise, well, it's not the best, but it's far from the worst. That's proven on some of the other videos we've made of small capture cameras. It's a nice weight, it's hard. You could drop this and it would not break. It's really well made. I'm impressed with it, and I think you'll be impressed with it too. Anyway, thank you for watching today's video. Hope you've enjoyed, and we'll see you soon. Bye!